So this is the all-new Toyota CHR plug-in, also known as a PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Well, what that means is that basically you've got an electrical charge and a petrol tank. For shorter journeys, you can run purely off electric, and this vehicle will give you up to 40 miles. And for those longer journeys, you've got the backup of a petrol tank. So we hope you enjoyed the video featuring the all-new Toyota CHR plug-in. After that long journey or that short journey to work, you can just come back home and pop it on charge, ready for your next journey. It's as simple as that. So for more information about the all-new Toyota CHR plug-in, contact us today at any of our RRG Toyota centres.